Technology is not just softwares, it's not just coding, it's not just a tech product. Technology can be hardware, technology can be an innovative way of solving a localized problem. Agriculture, climate wale area mein technology kya hai? It is actually understanding what are the solutions that are environment friendly and then implementing them based on the localized needs and the localized environment as well. That to us is also technology. Once you are selected through an independent jury, you join a cohort of up to 30 founders. And then you go through a week-long rigorous boot camp where we teach you all the business principles about how to professionalize your business, how to become more investment ready, and foremost how to actually write your scaling plan, which is investment an investor can actually understand and give credence to.
We had classes or sessions from morning till evening in which we were taught about how to develop financial models, how to make financial models. We learned what is customer profiling.
An evaluation committee sits, again an entirely independent set of people. They evaluate the viability of what the proposal is, what the founder is proposing scale for her, where she stands right now, what is she proposing, the use of funds. और उसके बाद they select 10 founders out of the 30 who go on to the stage 2.
The first time we took our product to a pitch, Athar just completely tore it apart. And after a certain point, आपको एहसास होता है that बुरा नहीं मानना, take that and see what you can do with it. And he was right.
Up stage 2 mein, the game changer for us has been that now with Standard Chartered support, we are now putting our money where our mouth is. We are not just saying कि हम hypothetically आपको scale करना सिखाएंगे. We are actually giving you the funds to actually go out and experiment.
Through this program, we got the confidence that we can try and test the model that we want to do since a long time. And वही tech element पे we incorporated in the main business by building a marketplace with the Women in Tech program.
Now this 1 million that these 10 founders each get, they have 8 weeks to now go out in the market and start implementing their actual submitted plan. और उसको real life scenario में, market conditions में उसको test करते हैं. And at that point also we introduce mentors who work with them, who जो real life, जो आपकी real time में trouble shooting हो रही होती है, वो उसके साथ साथ हम 8 weeks में उनके साथ solve करते हैं.
So they go through a very extensive coaching, mentoring, guiding. हर एक business को हम एक specific mentor allot करते हैं.
And by the end of 8 weeks, these founders then again resubmit the same plan with all of the actual performance that they have done in the 8 weeks in front of an independent jury, and then they fight for their case. And the 3 of the most promising ventures then get further greater grant, equity free of course, from Standard Chartered to then fully implement their idea.
So it's not like giving you money and telling you to go and participate in the race. It's more like nurturing you stepwise to reach a certain level.
Try करके देखो, नहीं होता देखी जाएगी, but you will always be better off than you would have been if you had not tried.
वो perfect time कभी नहीं आता, and वो perfection के ऐसा बन जाएगा, ऐसा हो जाएगा, हम यहाँ तक पहुँच जाएंगे.
Don't think whether I'm eligible or not eligible. If you have a tech-enabled business and you want to scale your business, just apply for the program. And इस साल अगर आप qualify नहीं करेंगे तो maybe आप उस pipeline में आ जाएंगे, आप next year qualify कर जाएं.
Stop doubting yourself and start from somewhere. Even if you're doing very small thing, even if you think oh इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है, but जो आप कर रही हैं आपके niche में वो बड़ा बन सकता है. So you just have to start from somewhere, and I guess Women in Tech Standard Chartered program is one of the best programs in town in Pakistan. So definitely try for it and start your journey from here.
Applications are open for the Women in Tech program. Please hurry up. Time is passing. There's a deadline to it because they're open for a very short time. Don't miss this opportunity. Come forward and make your application and submit your registrations.